in a charming place called Alphabet Town. Every letter had its own special spot in the grand order of the alphabet. The kids in the town learned to read and write with the help of these well-arranged letters. One sunny day, a mischievous wind swept through Alphabet Town. It was like a wild prankster, swirling and twirling all the letters around. When the chaos settled, the letters were in complete disarray. The letter A, which was supposed to be at the very beginning, was now found where Z usually stood, and the poor letters M and N were nowhere to be seen. They were completely lost in the mess. The letters were deeply worried. They knew that without them in the right order, the kids in the town wouldn't be able to read their favorite books or write their own stories. There was a sense of panic in the air, but then, two brave letters stepped forward. B and C were not afraid of the jumbled mess. They decided to take charge and fix the problem. They looked out at the audience and asked for help. Everyone joined hands, and together they started to sing the well-known ABC song. As they sang, each letter began to remember its proper place. One by one, the letters moved back to where they belonged. The A found its way back to the start. And after a while, M and N also popped up in their correct spots. Finally, the alphabet in Alphabet Town was back in its proper order. The kids could now go back to reading and writing, and the letters were relieved that they had done their job.